Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so today we're talking about the color yellow. Let's look right here. Yellow. All right, this right here in this paint bucket is yellow. You might also see yellow on a stoplight where they have red, yellow, and green. All right, so let's look at this. Okay, here are some things that are yellow. Can you think of things that are yellow around you? So, some things that Miss Hendry has here that are yellow are things like a banana. A banana's yellow. A lemon. Ooh, think about the face you make when you have a lemon, when you eat a lemon. Ooh, yellow. The sun is yellow. Ooh, baby ducks. They're so cute. They're yellow. And school buses are yellow. All right. You need to look at things around your house and show mom and dad some things that are yellow, or maybe some toys that you have that are yellow. All right. Let's look at this. This says drag the X on the objects that are not yellow. So one day I'm going to send you this whole game and you're going to get to drag them, okay? But first, Miss Hendry's going to show you how. All right, so a banana. Is that yellow? Yes. This flower. Is that yellow? No, that's pink. So we're going to drag an X on top of that flower. All right, the sun. Is that yellow? Yes. What about a duck? Is that yellow? It is. What about these grapes? Grapes. Are they yellow? No, they're not. So I'm going to drag the X. Those are purple grapes. Good job, guys. So let's remember yellow. This is the color yellow. And so I want you to be looking around your house for things that are yellow. Bye, guys.